AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length assembly with a heavy-duty unwind, material positioning station, and machine gripper station to precisely cut pieces of flexible material from a roll form. Material is loaded onto an unwind. Safety chucks ensure the air shaft is held in place. From the unwind, the material travels under a dancer assembly. The unwind station includes a variable speed motor and control panel. An edge guide system monitors the tracking of the material and will adjust accordingly to correctly position the web. Edge guide control panel is mounted by the unwind station. A set of precision ground rollers pulls the material into the cut-to-length station. The top idler roller adjusts the preload. Operator can lift the idler roller for easy setup. A guide directs the material into the knife assembly. A no product sensor will automatically shut the unit down when no material is sensed entering the rollers. Machine grippers will precisely grip and place sheets to be picked up by a robot. Material is then cut by a shear cut blade. A light tower provides audible and visual alerts for operations. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.